Today we will learn the division of algebraic expressions, in which we will learn division of monomial by another monomial. If an algebraic expression has one or more terms which have non-zero coefficients and non-negative integers as powers of variables, then such expression is called a polynomial. For example, these are all polynomials. If there is only one term in an expression, then we call it monomial. An expression with two terms is called binomial. An expression with three terms is called trinomial, and so on. In many cases, we have to divide one monomial with another monomial. To understand how they are divided, let's see an interesting example. We have to find the result of 15x cubed divided by 10x square. We can write it like this. Now, we will write both numerator and denominator in the form of their factors. Here, we can write 15x cubed as 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by x multiplied by x multiplied by x, and 10x square as 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by x multiplied by x. Here, 5 multiplied by x are common to numerator and the denominator. So, we will cancel them in the numerator as well as denominator. We call this method as cancellation. This gives us result 15x cubed divided by 10x square as 3x divided by 2. Let's take another interesting example. Pause the video and try to divide 21x cubed y square z by 7x cubed z. What is the result? Let me tell you. We can write the factors of 21x cubed y square z like this, and the factors of 7x cubed z like this. By cancelling the common factors in the numerator and the denominator, we get the result of division as 3y square. Now, you will be able to divide one monomial from another monomial. So today we have learned the division of algebraic expression, in which we learned division of monomial by another monomial. In the next video, we will learn division of polynomial by a monomial. Today we will learn the division of algebraic expressions, in which we learn division of polynomial by a monomial. Suppose we want to divide this polynomial by a monomial 4x square. For this, we will first represent it in the form of numerator and denominator. Now, we will factorize each term of the numerator. Here, the factorization of 20x square y square can be done like this. 12x square y and x cube can be done like this. Similarly, we will also write factors of denominator. Here, 4x square can be written like this. Now, we have to take a number common from each term of the numerator. The number must be equal to the denominator, so that we can cancel it with the denominator by the method of cancellation. In this way, we will take 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by x multiplied by x, common from each term in the numerator. This will leave 5 multiplied by y in the first term and 3y in the second term. Can you tell me how we can take 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by x common from the third term? Think. Let me tell you. We can write the third term like this by arranging it, where the value of 2 multiplied by 1 divided by 2 multiplied by 2 is 4 multiplied by 1 divided by 4, that is 1. In this way, there is no change in the value of this expression. Now, we can take 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by x common from the third term as well. After taking this number common, 1 by 4x will be left in the third term. Now, we can cancel the common factors 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by x in the numerator and denominator. From this, we will get the result of division as 5y square plus 3y plus 1 by 4x. Let's solve this with another interesting method. We can divide each term of polynomial with a denominator separately. To find the result of the division from this, we can get the quotient of each term separately by the cancellation method. Here, we will write it like this. In 20x square y square divided by 4x square, when 20 is divided by 4, the result is 5. Similarly, you can cancel x square in both numerator and denominator. In this way, we will get 5y square from the first term. Now, can you tell me what is the result of division from second and third terms? Think. You are right. In the division of second term, 12 divided by 4 gives result 3, and we can cancel x square from the numerator and denominator. Hence, the result of division of second term will be 3y. Similarly, the result of the third term will be 1 by 4x. In this way, we will get the result 5y square plus 3y plus 1 by 4x. Now, find the result of given division yourself. M raised to 4 plus 4am square minus 16m cube divided by 2m. Now, you will be able to divide any polynomial with a monomial. So today we have learned the division of algebraic expressions, in which we learned division of polynomial by a monomial. In the next video, we will learn division of polynomial by another polynomial. Today we will learn the division of algebraic expressions, in which we will learn division of polynomial by another polynomial. Till now, we have learned division of monomial by another monomial and similarly division of polynomial by a monomial. Let us now understand how to divide a polynomial by another polynomial. Suppose we have to find the result of this. Think about how we can find the result. Let me tell you, first of all, we will write dividend and divisor in the form of numerator and denominator. Then we will write both the numerator and denominator in the form of their factors. Since 3x is common to all terms in the numerator, so we can write it like this. Now, can you tell me what is the factorization of polynomial x square plus x minus 12? Think. Let me tell you, we will split the middle term. That is, we will use this identity. Here, by dividing the middle term, 1x, in this way, we can find the factors of this expression as x minus 3 into bracket x plus 4. Now, we can write it as. Similarly, we can write the denominator in the form of factors as 3 into bracket x plus 4. We will see that the factors 3 and x plus 4 are common to both the numerator and the denominator, so we can cancel them. From this, we get the result as x into bracket x minus 3, that is x square minus 3x. Now try to find the result of 7a raised to the power 4 plus 21a raised to the power 3 minus 70a square divided by 7a minus 35 by yourself. So today we learned the division of algebraic expression, in which we learned the division of polynomial by another polynomial. In the next video, we will see some interesting examples related to division of algebraic expressions. Today we will see some interesting examples related to division of algebraic expression. The relationship between speed, time and distance traveled by a vehicle is given as distance is equal to speed multiplied by time. If the distance traveled by a vehicle is obtained by an algebraic expression x cube minus 64x and its speed as x minus 8, what will be the expression for time? The relation between speed, time and distance traveled is distance traveled is equal to speed multiplied by time. If we want to find the time, then it will be time is equal to distance covered divided by speed. Since the distance traveled is x cube minus 64x and speed is x minus 8, time will be equal to x cube minus 64x divided by x minus 8. To simplify it, we have to divide numerator by denominator. Since there are more than one term in both numerator and denominator, so here we have to carry out division of polynomial by another polynomial. For this, we will write both numerator and denominator in the form of their factors. Now, by taking x common from the terms of numerator, we get x into bracket x square minus 64. We can see that 64 is the square of the number 8. Therefore, we can use this identity. Thus, numerator can be expressed in the form of its factors as x into bracket x plus 8 into bracket x minus 8. Now, we see that x minus 8 is common to both the numerator and the denominator. So, with the cancellation method, we can cut it in the both the numerator and denominator. This gives us the expression for time as x into bracket x plus 8, that is x square plus 8x. Let's see the next example. The volume of a cuboid-shaped tank is represented by this algebraic expression. If the height of this cuboid is 6m square n, find the area of the base of the tank. We know that volume of cuboid is equal to length multiplied by width multiplied by height. Here, by product of length and width, we will find the area of base of the cuboid. Therefore, we can say that the volume of the cuboid is equal to the area of the base of the cuboid multiplied by height. In this way, the area of the base of the cuboid will be equal to the volume of the cuboid divided by height of the cuboid, which we can write in this way. Here, we have to divide a trinomial by a monomial. Can you tell me how to do it? Think. Absolutely right. We can divide each term of the trinomial by monomial. Then, by the method of cancellation, we can find the quotient of each term separately. In this way, we get the area of the base of the cuboid as 3m square n square plus mn minus 2n. So today we have seen some interesting examples related to division of algebraic expressions. In the next video, we will see some common mistakes related to them. Today we will see Some common mistakes related to division of algebraic expression. Mistake 1. Leaving the division of algebraic expressions incomplete. Some children leave the division of algebraic expressions incomplete. For example, if children are given the question and asked to simplify it, some children cancel y from the numerator and denominator by the method of cancellation. But after this, they think that numerator cannot be divided by denominator, so they do not simplify the question further and leave it incomplete. To avoid this mistake, we can factorize the numerator and denominator while dividing the algebraic expressions. This allows the common factors to be cancelled by the method of cancellation, and thus correct result can be obtained. Mistake 2. Students do not reduce the exponents of the variables when dividing algebraic expressions. If children are asked to simplify 6p cube divided by 2p, some children ignore the exponents of the variables and write the variable in the numerator and its power as such. This gives them the wrong answer 3p cube. If the variables are same, the power of the variable changes during division. The factors of 6p cube is 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by p multiplied by p multiplied by p. Similarly, the factors of 2p will be 2 multiplied by p. Here, we will cancel 2 in the numerator with 2 in the denominator and p in the denominator with p in the numerator. It gives the result 3p square. The same can be solved with the help of exponent rules. Since a raised to m divided by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n, hence 6p cube divided by 2p can be simplified like this, which gives the correct result as 3p square. Mistake 3. Incorrect use of cancellation method. Amir asked Samir to find the result of x square minus x square y square divided by x square. Samir solved it like this. Can you tell me if he got the right answer? Think. Let me tell you, some children like Samir think that if the polynomial is divided by monomial, the like terms in the numerator and denominator can be cancelled. With this understanding, they cut off one of the terms of polynomial by monomial. Here, Samir cancelled the denominator x square with the x square of the term from the numerator, but it is wrong. We have to divide each term of numerator by x square. We can do this by dividing each term of polynomial separately by a monomial, which gives us the correct answer 1 minus y square. Mistake 4. Not using brackets. Sometimes children use this sign to indicate division. For example, if they are asked to divide x square plus 4x by x plus 4, they write it in this way: x square plus 4x by x plus 4. Can you tell me what is wrong here? Think. Absolutely correct. Brackets are not used here. This causes the viewer to think that only 4x is being divided by x. Sometimes this causes confusion even when simplifying the example, and this increases the chances of making a mistake. Such a mistake can be overcome with the use of brackets and correct result can be obtained. So today we have seen some common mistakes related to division of algebraic expressions.